So last year this Japanese maple had problems with drainage halfway through the season, and I originally thought it was worms being the main culprit blocking up the drainage, as I was constantly washing up soil from the bottom. So let's get it out of the pot, and as you can see there's some roots around the edges, and I was not expecting it to be almost root bound, playing a big factor in its drainage. So now it's definitely going to need a full repot, and we're going to remove all the excess roots, and there we go. And now we're going to have a clean up at the bottom, very carefully removing the old soil, and then using a soft brush to remove all the moss that has built up over the last season. Now we're going to be putting it back in its original pot, using a well drained soil mix from Harry Harrington, and adding some zero nitrogen feed to the soil, which will aid in root recovery. Let's get it tied into the pot, snipping off the excess wire. And with it now being nice and secure within the pot, we can add the top layer of soil. I'm using Kaiser No. 2 mix from Graham Potter, and now we're going to make sure there's no air pockets within the soil. And there we are, the tree is looking a lot nicer. We're going to give it a good watering to see if it's draining well, and there we go. It's draining exactly how it should.